So today is Saturday morning. We just got back from town. We headed there first thing to go pick up the lumber to complete the siding on the back side of the house. So I know that you guys are probably getting bored with seeing the siding and the shoshugi bonding, and believe me, we are too. But it's part of the process. You know, I mean, we don't want to make it look easier than it is. We just want to show the reality of it and how long it takes. You guys are seeing this unfold as it's happening, so you're really getting to see like literally how long it takes and how quickly we're getting stuff done, or how slow.
Yeah, so the plan is we're going to start burning the wood, get it all rubbed down, and put the
brushed, seal
it all up, and then install.
Yes.
So once we get that done, we're going to start the sides to go up.
Yep, start the sides that go up on the inside. Are we doing that before we do the outside that goes under the metal, or which way are we doing that?
No, sides go up first.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can match it up a little bit easier that way.
Yeah, so ideally we will finish this today. However, I'm not sure if that's going to happen. We always kind of set lofty goals. One thing I do know is that it's going to be much easier having an extra set of hands for the shoshugi bonding, because we're going to be able to double team it. He'll torch probably, and I will brush and seal. So. And I
also brought my whip too, so I can whoosh, get that thing moving a little bit faster, you know?
Yeah. And Josh is also going to be taking care of dinner tonight, right, Josh?
I don't speak that language.
Oh, I just assumed, judging by your toenails, that you were going to swoop down out of the sky and fetch us dinner tonight. Or walk?
Oh my God.
So I guess he's taking care of dinner. Good deal, guys. I figured I would take you guys on a little walk through the house so I could show you the layout, because we haven't really shown you guys that. We've walked you through the house, but we haven't told you where everything's going, and then I'll jump back out here with him and get those boards brushed down. So when you come in the back door of the house, you come right into what is like the mudroom utility room back in here. We don't have any lights on, so it's a little bit dark in here, but you can see over here is where we're going to have our washer and our dryer, like a bench for storage where we can put our coats, muddy boots, all that sort of thing. And on this side is where we have our panel and our hot water heater. Some freezers will go back in here. As you come up this way, this is where the stairs are going to be that leads up to the loft. Also some more places for storage of things like the homeschool supplies, art supplies, different things like that that the kids use a lot, books and things like that. So if you turn to the opposite side, you would be heading into the bathroom, which you guys have seen recently. And then you're going to walk out into the main great room, which is where the kitchen will be over here, and kitchen table in this dormer, and like our family room with the couch and everything. Our wood stove is going to be behind us on the opposite side of the bathroom. So this whole wall that's back here is going to be all glass so that we can really enjoy the view that we have out there. And eventually this will open up and go out onto a nice deck that'll walk down to a stone patio out here. So you can see the goats are out there with their new little house enjoying things. So that's the plan. All right, let's head out and see how Josh is doing. And there's the loft.
Alright, so we are done with the siding. We got up past the window of the loft.
Yeah, so the entire backside is done, and now we're getting ready tomorrow to start the planking that's going to go on the inside of the A's, and then also the trim that's going to go under the metal.
Yeah, and hope to get that done tomorrow. And that's it for siding until we get that window in. Should be here this week, I imagine, for the front side of the other dormer, and then we're done with siding for a while, and we'll hopefully be inside the house.
Yeah, today was a long day. We're dirty and tired.
Yeah.
It didn't go as quick with just the stack and go because the boards hadn't been prepped, but we got it done. So
Yep.
that's it.
That's it, guys.
All right, cool. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
A little less chewing, a little more working.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yep. That it?
That wasp comes after you on bailing your ladder.
You cannot.
Josh versus wasp, round 1. Oh, get down, get down, get down. Hurry up. Don't come near me.
Where's he at? I hate wasps.